just wanted to share this bread recipe. I added my own spin, but I want to thank Andy's East Coast Kitchen on Facebook who shared the recipe, and of course I am adding my own little spin here of making it. Look at this. This is so easy to make, fresh, with your own ingredients. I am using mostly organic ingredients. The yeast that will be added is a non-GMO product, but I feel like I have something so much more healthier that doesn't have all those extra ingredients that I don't need. And I'm so thankful to run across this, because with any recipe I add my own little spin to it, and this one was so easy to make. The only thing that takes time is you have to let the dough sit for a minimum of 3 hours, and up to 8 hours is what is recommended. And so I love throwing herbs and healthy ingredients into almost any and everything that I cook. And so if you're interested in this recipe, go over and follow me on my YouTube channel. It is in my bio. You just simply click that and subscribe and follow me. I'll be adding recipes there that are long, such as this one. That's where the recipe will be for this particular bread, if you're interested. And why not give it a try and add your own spin? The outcome of this, I don't see me ever buying bread again. I also have a bagel recipe I've shared here that will also go on my YouTube channel very soon, because I have some new and fresh videos that I'm going to post there and add the recipe. But look at this. This is so easy. You do not have to know how to cook to make this. You just follow the simple instructions, and the end result, oh my goodness. You can do so much with this bread. Invite people over, bread and wine, and bam, this is what you get.